Dear 7th graders, we are going to learn a new chemistry lesson which is chemical reaction. The objectives of the lesson are: distinguish between chemical and physical changes, define reactants and products, write the word equation, identify some gases, and explain the law of conservation of mass. First, let's discuss the first objective. What is the difference between chemical and physical change? Let's consider together a white chalk. If we grind the white chalk very well, we will obtain a powdered chalk. So, one piece of chalk changes into powdered chalk. This is a physical change. In a physical change, the identity of substance didn't change, and we can go back to the initial case. Now, let's put the same piece of chalk in a cup containing vinegar. Bubbles appear, salt and water. The bubbles indicate that there is a released gas. So, one piece of chalk added to vinegar changes into gas, water and salt. This is a chemical change. New substances are formed and the identity of the substance changes also.
Let's see another example of chemical and physical change.
Transformation can be chemical if the identity of a substance changes. New substances are formed and we can't go back to the initial case. Or physical if the identity of a substance didn't change and we can go back to the initial case. Evidence of a chemical reaction. Change in color. For example, the iron rust and rotten apple. Release of a gas as indicated in the reaction between chalk and vinegar. Release of heat and light. The lit candle releases heat and light. Formation of precipitate or salt as indicated in the reaction between chalk and vinegar. If one evidence appears, then a chemical reaction takes place. One or more evidence can appear in a chemical reaction.